Hi, today I'm going to give you an idea for an extra treatment to do if you've strained or sprained something while we're all social distancing. In addition to your ice and arnica cream, it's just another way to help until we can meet again. I like to use a cabbage. This is a green cabbage that I got at the grocery store. And what I'm going to do is I am going to peel some of the leaves off of the cabbage. I'm going to take off one more leaf, just like this. Now, this central stem, I'm going to peel the leaf away from it. I just use my fingers. Some people might use a knife to slice around that part, but I just peel it away. And then I go right here and peel that away and put the hard stem off to the side. I won't be using that. I'm going to pretend that I've strained my wrist, like one of my patients who was skateboarding, getting outside and having some fun, and of course they slipped and strained their wrist. So I'm going to do this in honor of them. And this one looks pretty good, so I'm just going to lie all of these leaves flat on my plastic wrap that I have laid out here. I've just used Glad wrap. Then what I do is I fold over the edge of the plastic wrap, and I take a mallet, or you can always use the edge of a pot or a cup, and you just pound it up just a little bit, like so. Then I lie the plastic wrap flat again. And then from here, I'm going to pretend that this part of my wrist is sore. So I'm going to try and put my leaves directly onto the injured area. And then I'm going to wrap around. Now, if I had a really swollen wrist, I might put it all the way around. So I just need a couple more leaves. But in this case, I'm just going to pretend that it's the outer part of my wrist. So I'm going to go like so. And then I take the other part and I'm just going to wind it around like that. Some people will recommend wearing something like this for several hours. I usually do it for an hour at a time. I would also, particularly if the injured area was still hurting, I would also take an ice pack and put it in a pillowcase. Make a nice little ice pack, and then I would also wind that around. And I would leave it on. I would tuck it in so that it'll hold itself. I would tuck it in like that, just so that it's cool on top of the injured area. I would leave that on for about an hour. The ice usually goes on for about 20 minutes, and then I take the ice off. And then when you're ready to take the wrap off, you just go ahead. And you put it in the trash. Hopefully it'll help a little bit with the swelling and the pain until we can meet soon.